What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Oh, what's this? This is different. This is definitely new. Kind of like that. We have sugar-free salted caramel flavored syrup. This is definitely brand new for Christmas. Sugar-free candy cane flavored syrup. Since this is a video talking all about favorites and affordable favorites, I want to share this with you guys. The brand Tycone contacted me and said, hey, do you want to pick out a bag? And I was like, yeah, of course. They have a website, you guys, that features like very fashionable bags at affordable prices. And I am so impressed. Before we get into the full unboxing, I am going to share their website with you guys. I know sometimes we see these sorts of deals on TikTok. And we're like, where can I get a bag like that? You guys, these are all luxury inspired handbags. And I have to tell you guys that I am so happy with mine. I have had other luxury inspired handbags in the past, and this is one of the best ones. You guys, in their new in category, they show everything that's brand new, everything from Jordans to Gucci to Louis Vuitton. But here on their website, they have lots of wallet choices. So if you want to get a matching wallet and or coordinating wallet with your new handbag, they have that option. They have Gucci, Chanel, Dior, Prada. We even have Jordans at much more affordable prices. Okay, you guys, definitely use the code if you want to save yourself some money. If you have some Christmas money that is coming your way soon or that you expect to use, definitely grab yourself a special treat. Okay, here we go. Let's do the unboxing. Number one, super quality box, super quality dust bag. Look at the print. Everything is so clean and so very nice. All of the hardware is protected. Everything from the buckles to the magnetic closure. That's a little speck of glitter from my polish. I'm about to shake it off, dust it off. You guys, this bag is so immaculate. And even though I'm in my studio doing this voiceover and I have microphones and stuff around me, I'm just actually filming into my computer, which that's the little fan that you're hearing. But anyways, back to the unboxing. I love how they so carefully just wrapped everything up, from the closures to all the hardware to the handle. I mean, this bag is so well done. Again, you guys, the brand is Tycone, and I'm just super impressed with the quality. Super impressed. So if you've been entertaining the idea of getting yourself something very nice and designer inspired, but you just can't picture like spending thousands for a handbag for yourself, then you guys definitely need to give this company a try. They're also on TikTok. They're also on Instagram. They have a website. They have active support on their website if you have questions. But I really love that they just have lots of pictures for all of their bags. This is what I was talking about. Attention to detail. Do you guys see that little tiny wrap on the hardware? Like, I just love how much care they put into this. There's paperwork. Everything is wrapped well. I'm ranting and raving about this, and this is not a sponsored video. They just offered to send me one of their bags to try out and share with you guys, and I am very satisfied. You guys will see this bag in my upcoming videos, sitting right there in the shopping cart, holding everything I need for my day of errands and my day of filming. You guys know you deserve to treat yourself to a little something, and if you've had your eye on something like this, it is definitely worth it. I am so pleased. You guys, treat yourself. Look down in the description box for all the links. Now back to the Dollar Tree video. New this week, we have the Nescafe cold brew lattes. It says it's a milk coffee drink. We also have the black roast. This is a fruit puree, 3 to a pack. The brand is Wanabana. These are 70 calories each. Pineapple banana. We have apple banana. And anything else? Nope. These are actually super pretzels. These super pretzels are made by J&J Snack Foods. It says baked soft pretzels, but trust me, these are actually super pretzels. They are the real deal. I don't know why they ever changed the packaging, but you can't get them anywhere else for this price. These are the reusable makeup removing rounds, and this is a name brand, you guys. Go to their website. You'll see how expensive everything is. And these are like super, super fluffy and luxurious. This is the only variety that I'm seeing. I'm not seeing any other shapes or any other colors, just these. These are 100% machine washable. I have a few in my cart right now. They're really nice. Oh, what's this one? I didn't even see this one earlier. We have more. We have blue to pink. What? I didn't even see these. Okay. So this one is blueberry flavor, blueberry. And this one is strawberry flavor. And then this little cute one. Here I go again, you guys, dropping everything. This one is red to pink. This is bubblegum flavor. So cute, bubblegum flavor. Ooh, oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. 40 brilliant gel shine. You guys, 40 gel strips by Kiss. What? Wow. Oh my gosh. Even more. Look at this, you guys. Look at these. Oh my gosh, you guys. The sweetest woman ever that works here. She stocks everything in this location, and she just brought this box over to share with you guys. Now, she just took the things out of the box and she said, I'll come back and hang everything up and make it nice and neat. But she just emptied this box so I could share all of these items with you guys. We have so many new items. We have these, if you guys watched my last video, these are the Kiss nail stickers. You guys, we get 40 in a box. You guys know these cost a lot more than $1 or $1.25 if your store has gone up in prices. These cost a lot more than $1 everywhere else. So we have options from Kiss. And then we also have this one, really, really bright, 28 in a box. Okay. And then we have this brand Fingers, and these have a really nice texture to them. 16 in a package. 16 in a package. Now these haven't been taken out of their packs yet. Most of them are like, I don't know, 4 or 5 in a pack. We also have the butterflies by Fingers. We have the silver, glitter, and green. We also have the animal print. Let's see, what other ones do we have? We have this one here. It's like a pink foil and black. We also have silver, 22 in a pack. We also have the black and white. The black and white is really cute. It's like kind of cute and artsy. Let's see, am I missing any? These are really cute. I think I'm gonna get another one of these. These would be cute little gifts. Super cute if you want to do like a quick little manicure. Just remember to file your nails first so they stay on. I'm gonna grab that one. Yep, those came straight out the box, you guys. We have brand new peanut socks. It says Greenbrier on the back. Super cute. It says Dream Big. Ooh, look at this little pack. These are so cute and they feel so nice. You guys, the quality on these feels so amazing. I wish you guys could feel them right now. Like, I am super impressed. Like, this just feels like such a nice quality sock, and I'm not being extra. Like, they really feel nice, you guys. We also have this variety. Ooh, these are so nice. So nice. And then we have this variety as well. We have some new socks from Juncture this week. These are just 1 to a pack. But feel these, you guys. These are like super silky and nice. Wow, I'm impressed. We also have this variety down here. Aw, those feel good. Those feel really good. And then we have Mickey Mouse socks. We'll end off with the socks right here. We also have these brand new ones, the fashion knee highs. We have the beautiful butterflies. We have cupcakes. We have rainbows and raindrops, I guess. And then we have the little alpacas here. Oh, these are definitely new, you guys. Look at this. Women's gloves. We have rainbows, rainbow lollipops, kittens, peppermints, puppies. What else? More kittens, more puppies. I don't know why, but these are funny. To me, these remind me of something from the 90s. I don't know why. They're just kind of like cute and quirky and funny. These are cute, you guys. These are all paper straws, you guys. Super cute. They even have plastic balloon pumps in here. I saw these during my live. We have these bath bombs, vanilla cream. It actually says, you guys, vanilla, yes, vanilla cream scented. We have another one. They all say vanilla. That's so funny. This one has the most product. The rainbow. We also have this one, frosted coconut. We have cotton candy. Let's see if there's anything else. Cotton candy again. Again, it says vanilla scented. That's so funny. And then these are really cute. Little body wash and tiny bath bombs. We also have this one. This one is red apple. This one is citrus. And last but not least, this one is peony scented. Last but not least, you guys, we have brand new super cute burp cloths for babies. This is the first time I have ever seen these here. And they are so, so cute. You just get 1 in a pack. And then of course, we also have really cute little washcloths, 4 to a pack, bibs, even more. We even have some super thin little hooded baby towels over here. But all right, you guys, that's it for me here in Dollar Tree. They're about to close, so I better head up to the front. Thank you guys so, so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.